All right, so Coach Jared is going to be demonstrating a 1 1/4 pull down. Usually we keep it in a neutral grip position. So let's demonstrate a 1 1/4 pull down here, Coach, for our viewers. It's a full pull down, quarter way up, all the way back down, all the way up. That's 1 rep right there. So you can see it's a lot of time under tension like this. His eyes look straight ahead, and he's not rushing the reps. It's a good fluid tempo the whole time. Usually we see around 8 repetitions, so there's so much time under tension, and they're firing these guys the whole time. Now here's what we see commonly is that people rush the reps. It looks a little bit sloppy. So if you do a quarter and come up fast, come back down, you can see he's moving a lot, all right? The hands are moving real fast, so the body's swaying. So you want him to slow it down a little bit. All right, just like that. Great demo, Coach. Thank you.